Welcome students in a series of topics in commercial arithmetic. Today's topic is finding percent of a number. To find percent of a number, we need to follow two steps. First, write percent as a fraction with denominator 100. That I have already told you how to write in previous video. Second, multiply with given number. So simple. So let's do it. Find the value of 40% of 500. So we need to follow only two steps. In first step, we will convert percent into fraction with denominator 100. So we can write 40% as 40 by 100 of 500 as it is. Now instead of we will put the sign of multiplication. Now solve it, and it is very easy to solve. How? 0 say 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. So what we will have? 200. Let us do one more. 12 and 1 by 2% of 900. Here is a mixed number. But do not worry. At first convert this mixed into improper. That is 25 by 2. And because of percent, we can write it as 25 by 200 of 900. Now instead of we will put the sign of multiplication and we will solve this to 0 and 0 cancel. This 0 with this 0 cancel. Now just solve this, multiply this, and what you will get after dividing by 2, 112.5. Next is 25% of rupees 12. Here we need to take care of unit 2. First step is to convert 25% into fraction with denominator 100. So what it will be? 25 by 100 of rupees 12. Instead of we will put the sign of multiply. That is 25 by 100 multiply rupees 12. Now just solve this. 25 ones are 25. Here is 25 fours are 100. Now 4 ones are 4 and it is 4 threes are 12. So the final answer is rupees 3. Let us do one more. 18 and 3 by 4% of 560 kilometer. Here is mixed, but don't worry, at first convert it into improper. That is 75 by 4, and because of percent it will be 75 by 400 of 560 kilometer. Instead of we will put the sign of multiplication. Now just solve this. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. Now here is 4 ones are 4 and here is 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Now by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25 and it is 5 twos are 10. Now 2 sevens are 14. So it is the way. Now what is 15 into 7? That is 105 kilometer. Now let us do one more question to make this concept more clear. 125% of 10 liter. First step is remove the sign of percent and write denominator 100. That is 125 by 100 of 10 liter. Now instead of we will put the sign of multiply. That is 125 by 100 multiply by 10 liter. Now it is very easy to solve. 0 and 0. It will be cancelled. Now because here is 10 in denominator, we can put one decimal here. So it will be 12.5 liter. So easy. Next is 80% of 1 quintal. So you know 1 quintal means it is 100 kilogram. So it will be 80 by 100 of 100 kilogram. Now instead of we will put the sign of multiply. That is 80 by 100 multiply by 100 kilogram. Now it is again very easy. 0 and this 0 and 0 and this 0. will be cancelled. So what it will be? 80 kilograms. So easy. Now let us do one more kind of question to find out which is more. Here 8% of 700 or 5% of 1000. How can we find which is more? Just solve it. 8% of 700. Let us solve this first. 8% can be written as 8 by 100 of 700. Now instead of we will put the sign of multiplication, and again these two zeros will be cancelled, and what we will get? 8 sevens are 56. Now let us solve this part. 5% of 1000. 5% can be written as 5 by 100 of 1000. Now instead of we will put the sign of multiplication, and again these two zeros will be cancelled. So what it will be? 50. So which is more, 56 or 50? Yes, 56 is greater than 50. It means 8% of 700 is more than 5% of 1000. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.